Learn today. Animals. Let us look at the topic animals for grade 2, class 2. Topics covered: domestic and wild animals, homes of animals, young ones of animals, care of animals. Select the correct match out of the following. Option A, tiger, growl. Option B, elephant, trumpet. Option C, monkey, chatter. Option D, all of these. The answer is all of these. Yes, a tiger growls, elephant trumpets, monkey chatters. Select the habit that we should not follow. Option A, throwing stones at animals. Option B, tying firecrackers on the tail of stray animals. Option C, overloading the load carrying animals. Option D, all of these. The answer is all of these. Select the option which on unscrambling gives the name of the home of dog. The options are: option A, on unscrambling gives kennel. Option B, stable. Option C, sty. And option D, on unscrambling we get hive. So the answer is option A, kennel. Kennel is the home of a dog. Stable is where horses are kept. Pig lives in a sty. And honeybee lives in a hive. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, grass-eating animals have strong and broad back teeth to grind their food. Option B, flesh-eating animals have pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Option C, some animals have sharp front teeth both in upper and lower jaw to break open fruits and nuts. Option D, all of these. The answer is all of these. Raj was asked to make 4 groups, each with 3 animals which are useful to humans in a similar way. But he made a mistake. Select the option with mistake. The options are: option A, sheep, yak, rabbit. Option B, elephant, honeybee, crocodile. Option C, hen, duck, goose. Option D, cow, goat, buffalo. So let us look at the options one by one. Option A, sheep, yak, rabbit. Sheep, yak and rabbit gives us wool. Option B, elephant, honeybee, crocodile. Elephant and crocodile skin are used to make leather, whereas honeybee is a source of honey. Option C, hen, duck and goose gives us eggs. Cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk. So therefore, the correct answer is option B, elephant, honeybee and crocodile. Starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter in the given options and select the young one of the animal shown here. The answer is calf. The animal that is shown here is an elephant. Elephant's young one is called a calf. In the diagram, what should giraffe be called? Option A, prey animal. Option B, pet animal. Option C, endangered animal. Option D, domestic animal. Giraffe would be called as prey animal. Prey is an animal that is killed and eaten by another animal such as lion in the given case. So the answer is option A, prey animal. Dash is a name for the baby of a monkey. Options are: option A, joy. Option B, lamb. Option C, infant. Option D, kid. The answer is option C, infant. Infant is a name for the baby of a monkey. Select the option that completes a given table. Hole, snake, X, pigeon, coop, Y. So from the table we can see that snake lives in a hole, pigeon lives in a nest, and coop is for hens. Therefore, the correct option is option C, nest, hen. Pigeon lives in a nest and hen lives in a coop. Dash is the name for the baby of a goat. The options are option A, joy, option B, lamb, option C, infant, option D, kid. The answer is option D, kid. Kid is the name for the baby of a goat. Study the classification chart. Where should 1 peacock and 2 louse be placed? So from the chart we can see that animals classified into insects and birds. And insects we have 2 groups, can fly, cannot fly. Birds we have 2 groups, can fly, cannot fly. Peacock is a bird that can fly, so it will come in C. And louse is an insect that cannot fly, so it will come in the group B. So therefore the answer is option B, 1, C and 2, B. Peacock is a bird that can fly. Louse is an insect that cannot fly. Study the figure and select the correct option regarding it. Let us look at the figure. X is a wild animal. It is a plant-eating animal and is also a flesh-eating animal. Y is a wild animal as well as a plant-eating animal. Z is a wild animal and a flesh-eating animal. Let us now look at the options. Option A, X represents bear. Is it possible? Yes, it is a wild animal. It eats plants as well as flesh. And option B, Y represents zebra. Y is a wild animal as well as a plant-eating animal. Therefore, zebra could be the right option. And option C, Z represents lion. Z is a wild animal as well as a flesh-eating animal. So that is also right. So all the 3 options are right. So therefore, answer is option D, all of these. Select the odd one out. Option A, tiger. Option B, sheep. Option C, snake. Option D, fish. The answer is option D, fish. Snake, tiger and sheep live on land, while fish lives only in water. X said to Y, "Good gracious, how you hop! Over the fields and in the water too. My life is a bore in this pond and I long to go in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you." What are X and Y in the given rhyme? According to the poem, X lives in water and Y hops in the field and over water. Therefore, X could be fish and Y is kangaroo that hops. So the answer is option B, X fish and Y is kangaroo. Thanks for watching friends. Please subscribe to our channel Learn Today.